I just got a set of NicPro marking pencils. I've been wanting one of these red ones for a long time. Hi, I'm Mayanna with Heartwood Art. Let's give these a go and see how they do. Okay, let's do a little marking demo here. I've got just a regular mechanical pencil. Let's put that one down. And then I've got a carpenter pencil. Lay that one in. And then just a regular number 2 pencil. Then we're going to go over here to the NicPro. I'm going to do the black on it first. And then do the red one. There you go. So what do you think? I think the black NicPro looks just as dark as the number 2. And boy, do I like that red. I don't think it comes through as much on the video as it does in real life. Okay, let me show you what all you get in this case. Now, these things are packaged together, and you get 2 of the blacks and 2 of the red and yellows in that. Now, of course, I've already taken a red out, so let me show you how that works. They've got a little end in here where you can get your thumb in to push, and then just pull that off. Then they're taped together here at the top. It says remove. I just made a cut in one and kind of turned it over to get it out of there. And then you have this little level. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe you can tell me. And then you have this itty bitty sharpener. Can you see that? I don't know if I can get it in focus on the camera. But it's got this little wheel you can grip on. And it's very tiny because all you need to sharpen, of course, is right at the point. Now for the pens, you get a red one and a black one. And it's super easy to get this grip off if you only want the barrel on it. But I like the grip very much. And of course it works just like a mechanical pencil to get the lead out. So if you want to change the lead that's in it, just hold that down and then pull, of course. And same thing if you want to put it back in, hold it down. And very gently put it back in there, let go until it grips. Now these things run anywhere from about $5 to up to 20. It depends on how many pencils you want, the packaging, how many leads you want with it, you want the sharpener, those kinds of things. I got mine on Amazon. Look for the link in the description to this video. So what do you think about how they mark? Come on over to heartwoodart.com and let me know.